I'm going to start recording. It's working. And so from the start. Alright guys, so today we're going to be talking about dichotomous keys and what they're used for in science. So dichotomous keys are tools used to identify a species using distinct features, and they are invented by John Baptiste Lamarck. Lamarck? I never know. Lamarck. And so basically you kind of have this roadmap to identifying, usually in science they're used to identify animals. And so in this example you can see we have does it have feathers? Yes or no. If the animal in front of you has feathers, you go across to the yes. And then you have, does it swim? Yes or no. And so then you go, yes, it swims, so it is a duck. So you can see kind of like, it's just like a roadmap to get from like start to beginning in order to identify. So we're going to go through an example. So here's an example dichotomous key that I created using like household objects. So we'll start with the Mountain Dew can. That one will be pretty straightforward. And so the first arm on the dichotomous key is it made of plastic? So class, is this made of plastic? Yes or no?
No.
No. And so we're going to follow the little arm to no, and it's going to identify it as a Mountain Dew can. And that is true. That is a Mountain Dew can. And so next I'm going to start holding up objects, and although you guys know what they are, try to use the dichotomous key to key your way through the dichotomous key to the solution. So we'll start with a little bit easier one. Let's try this cell phone or phone. So is this made of plastic? Yes or no?
Yes.
So the next arm is it darkly colored? Yes or no?
Yes.
Does it have buttons? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So what is it?
It's a phone.
There you go. So we have reached the arm, and that's how we know we've got the correct answer. And so next, you guys are going to hold objects in front of each other, and your partner is going to figure out what the object is. So, Mom, would you like to hold an object in front of Billy?
Sure. Is this dark colored?
Well, you got to start at the beginning.
Is it made of plastic?
Yep.
Is it dark colored?
No.
So
It's Old Spice. Very good. So, Billy, do you want to hold an object in front of Mom? There you go. That's a hard one.
Don't look.
Okay.
Is it made of plastic?
Yes.
Is it darkly colored?
Yes.
Does it have buttons?
No.
Is it used as a writing utensil?
No.
There you go. You got sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
So now that you guys understand how to use the dichotomous key, you're going to create your own key using household objects like we did in today's lesson, or animals like the scientists use.
Okay. Cool.
All right. So cool. So did you guys understand the I do? You saw how I kind of like keyed out the object, and then we all keyed out an object, and then you guys together keyed out an object. And now for homework, you're going to create your own keys.
Okay.
So do you think that is a good use of the I can, we can, you can?
Yeah.
Yes. What do you think could have improved this lesson? I know it was pretty low key. It was very basic.
It was very basic. So maybe throw in more, maybe one more that's more challenging, but I think it's great.
Because I feel like the aluminum one was kind of difficult. So I wanted to put that as the first little arm branch.
I thought that was good, though. You started with the easy stuff. And I think the idea is pretty easy.
Right. Yeah, that's one of the goals of dichotomous keys is to be very simple to follow. Yes, no, does it do this or this? And that way it can be very easy to key out and figure out what you have. So, all right. Well, I guess
I like it.
that's everything. Say bye.
Bye.